Tagalog prefix naka. Naka. Naka is placed before a color or a clothing item to describe what a person is wearing. Naka is also placed before a vehicle to identify what car a person is riding in or driving. Naka plus color. First example, nakaputi. Nakaputi. Puti in Tagalog is white, so nakaputi means wearing white. Nakaputi. Nakaitim. Nakaitim. A hyphen must be placed between naka and itim because itim starts with a vowel. Nakaitim, meaning wearing black. Nakaasul. Nakaasul, wearing blue. Nakaberde. Nakaberde, wearing green. Nakapula. Nakapula, wearing red. Nakadilaw. Nakadilaw, wearing yellow. Naka-brown. Naka-brown, wearing brown. Naka-orange. Naka-orange, wearing orange. Naka-gray. Naka-gray, wearing gray. Naka-pink. Naka-pink, wearing pink. Let's use naka plus color in a sentence. Naka-beige akong t-shirt ngayon. Naka-beige akong t-shirt ngayon. I'm wearing a beige t-shirt today. Naka-purple na pantalon si Faisal. Naka-purple na pantalon si Faisal. Faisal is wearing purple trousers. Naka-purple na pantalon si Faisal. Ang pogi nung lalaking nakaasul. Ang pogi nung lalaking nakaasul. Nung is the informal spelling of noong, which means that or when. Ang pogi nung lalaking nakaasul, meaning that guy in blue is so handsome. Sino yung nakamaroon? Sino yung nakamaroon? Who's that guy or girl in maroon? Sino yung nakamaroon? Kilala mo ba kung sino yung babaeng nakapula? Kilala mo ba kung sino yung babaeng nakapula? Do you know that woman in red? Anong suot mo ngayon? Anong suot mo ngayon? What are you wearing right now? Nakaputi akong blouse. Nakaputi akong blouse. I'm wearing a white blouse. Let's now study some examples of naka plus clothing item. Example 1. Nakapalda. Nakapalda. Palda is the Tagalog word for skirt. So nakapalda means wearing a skirt. Nakapalda. Nakashorts. Nakashorts. Wearing shorts. Nakapantalon. Nakapantalon. Wearing pants. Nakasapatos. Nakasapatos. Wearing shoes. Nakamaong. Nakamaong. Wearing jeans or denim pants. Nakamaong. Nakatsinelas. Nakatsinelas. Wearing slippers. Nakatsinelas. Nakasalamin. Nakasalamin. Wearing eyeglasses. Nakasombrero. Nakasombrero. Wearing a hat. Nakajacket. Nakajacket. Wearing a jacket. Nakauniforme. Nakauniforme. Wearing a uniform. Nakasaklay. Nakasaklay. Meaning, using crutches. Let's now use naka plus clothing item in a sentence. Nakablusang puti si Shai. Nakablusang puti si Shai. Meaning, Shai is wearing a white blouse. Another way of saying this in Tagalog is, nakablouse na puti si Shai. Nakablouse na puti si Shai. These two sentences have the same meaning. The only difference is the use of the Tagalog linkers ng and na. In order to connect blusa to the word puti in the first sentence, we added ng to blusa because it ends with a vowel. On the other hand, we used the linker na to connect blouse to the word puti because blouse sounds like it ends with a consonant. We have a video about Tagalog linkers. You may watch it if you want to know more about how they are used. Nakapolka dot bikini si Maricel. Nakapolka dot bikini si Maricel. Maricel is wearing a polka dot bikini. Naka-striped shirt si James. Naka-striped shirt si James. James is wearing a striped shirt. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Bakit ka nakatungkod? Anong nangyari sa'yo? Bakit ka nakatungkod? What happened to you? Why are you using a cane? Naka-contact lens ka ba? Naka-contact lens ka ba? Are you wearing contact lenses? Bakit ka nakapaa? Bakit ka nakapaa? Why are you barefoot? Bakit ka nakapaa? Bakit ka nakahubad? Bakit ka nakahubad? Why are you naked? Naka plus vehicle. Nakakotse. Nakakotse, meaning riding in a car. Nakakotse. Nakamotorsiklo. Nakamotorsiklo, riding on a motorcycle. Nakatricycle. Nakatricycle, riding in a tricycle. Nakabisikleta. Nakabisikleta, meaning riding on a bicycle. Nakabisikleta. Bakit ka nakamotor ngayon? Sira ba ang kotse mo? Bakit ka nakamotor ngayon? Sira ba ang kotse mo? Why are you riding on a motorcycle today? Did your car break down? Bakit ka nakamotor ngayon? Sira ba ang kotse mo?